Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is a quick video to show you what I made for bringing back Basic Gray. This is a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube, our friend Beth, and Stampin' Cat on Instagram. And the links are down below in the description. You can just follow them and see what they made. Basic Gray makes fabric now. They haven't made paper in years and years and years. This probably isn't the pad these papers came out of, but I just wanted to show you the logo. It was a G and it's literally called Basic Gray. They did kind of grunge and a lot of stuff before it was cool, more mixed media type stuff, not just basic cutesy scrapbook type papers back then. I needed some sympathy cards. I'm thinking about what sentiments do I not have, and the craft fair that I do one a year, is I think at this point maybe 3 weeks away. And honestly, I just haven't prepped. Real life has been getting in the way. I should do an updates video for you guys this weekend probably. I took a couple of simple papers and did a template that our friend Nancy makes, and also it's a very basic, you have a 2-inch and then your background, and then when Nancy does it, she puts the strip on the inside. I kind of messed up on a couple of these. I don't have stuff on the inside. I need to fix it. So the way she cuts it, the strip would go on the inside. I had a little trouble because of directional papers and I wanted my leaves to go a certain way. I don't know. I was just being weird. 2 of them don't have stuff on the inside. I need to fix that. I just got sidetracked. Then on this one, I wanted to show you, I had an oops, and I think it's good to know that. I put this down, and then I decided I was going to glue more strips, but then I didn't do a good job trimming the bottom of this one, and I couldn't handle it. So I put some washi over it, and then I put some washi. So I have 2 that are paper, 2 that are washi, and they overlap on the middle. Different strategy than I usually do, but you guys might like to try it. And I think it's good to know when you mess up, it's not trash. It's an opportunity to try something new. I don't hate it. It's just different. Sympathy cards are kind of challenging for me. I think I'm going to try some with silver and gold and metals. I think it was Twyla that was talking about using some of the specialty paper for them. They have an elegance, but not florals, because I was trying to get gender neutral here. I got a little seasonal with the leaves, but I think it's okay. This is just an old wood block stamp that I have, and I really like the font for, and I couldn't figure out what I wanted to use here, so I used a patterned paper, and then this solid was out of the pad, and you can kind of tell it has a bit of a mixed media look right there. That's a Basic Gray kind of thing that they do. So those are my 4 cards out of Basic Gray. The idea of this collaboration is to use your paper, not hoard it, but we're not looking to smash it, because the only way you can buy more is eBay or a lucky day in a thrift store. So look around, see what other people made this month. Have a great time. I also wanted to say thank you so much. I hit 10,000 subscribers. I need to think about what I'm going to do as a giveaway or a celebration, and that'll be coming soon in a video. But I just wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you so much for your support over the years. If you're not a YouTube creator, you might not realize how much work it is to make videos and especially have a job and do things. But I have had so much fun building friendships with all of you. So thank you so much. And I'm probably going to keep it up for another year. You know, every year I kind of stop and evaluate and see what I'm going to do. Oh, and Eliza wants to pop in. Are you going to say hi to the camera? Nope, she's busy, has things to do. Oh, there she goes. So I think we'll keep it up. I think Eliza and Zelda and Zeus and I will be here for another, oh no, another year. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.